to go over an Ipsy Box this month. And some items I did purchase extra, but if they were like $3, maybe. I decided not to style my hair today, and I am second guessing it because it looks terrible and I don't know what to do with it. Maybe it's just because I have no makeup on. The following products will be done in another video, but these I also got in my Ipsy Box, and I guess look out for them. We're going to start off with the serum though. This is from Sanaj Skincare Collagen Boosting Serum. You can use this morning and night. This will help you hydrate, smooth your fine lines, and deliver a youthful glow while indulging your senses with a soothing blend of marula, bergamot, patchouli, and cedarwood oils. And if I say any of those wrongs, I apologize. I am fixing the hair once and for all. I just have to put it all the way up. It's just like really driving me crazy. And I forgot to put earrings on. Okay, this is Perlisse Beauty Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream with an SPF of 30, and this is in medium. A few drops will give your skin dewy, natural looking coverage. I don't see much coverage on this, but at least I know that my skin is protected. This is from Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Bronzer in Sunstone. It's a sheer cream bronzer. It combines the glow of a bronzer with the hydration of a tinted moisturizer, delivering a natural sun-kissed radiance that lasts all day. I had to test it out first. I started with a little and then I went in with more, and you will see by the end of the video. So at this point, I'm feeling that I don't have enough coverage on my face. And after finding a brush that I have been looking for every single day and all of a sudden just appeared, I don't understand. I've been looking in the same spot. I added more concealer. I have two different eyeshadows to work with here. I have Shades by Shan Life of the Party eyeshadow palette, and then I have Lith Beauty Night and Day eyeshadow palette. Obviously, I like one over the other. We all know I'm more of neutral tones, but I am wearing pink, and since I am wearing pink, I'll go with this one. Now, I'm just going to do a simple look, is what I thought I started off with. It's so funny because I feel like sometimes I have so much makeup on, and when I look at this videos, when I look back at the video, it doesn't look that bad, but in person to me, it's a lot of makeup. So I did this look and it was looking really nice. And then I went and I put shimmer on it, and I think that's where I went wrong. I normally like me some shimmer, but I only like it when I don't have a lot of other eyeshadow colors on. It doesn't look crazy, but to me it looked like a lot. For me, it's a lot. This is Maximist Photo Fiber Volumizing Mascara that is in black. Phyto Fortified Nutrient Dense Mascara, and it coats each lash in a hair strengthening microalgae complex and uncycled orange peel to help build volume and length for maxed out lashes. Wow, interesting. Yeah, that looked really good. This is from Benefit Cosmetic Plush Tint in Pear. This is a really nice color. I just would enjoy it better if I didn't have any other makeup on. Like if I had like a no makeup look, but it is nice and velvety, and it was a really pretty moisturizing lip tint. Cinta London Aqua Forte Super Hold Setting Spray. Because of the smell alone, I'm going to use it all the time. Makeup was great. I just feel like maybe I didn't apply it right, so I tried to put more bronzer on. That didn't go so well, although it was fun. Wow. Yeah. So let me spread this about. I don't know. I just feel like I had so much makeup on now that it looked worse in person. I looked like a clown. Thought maybe if I took my hair down and looked better. And I don't know. Does it look better? The eyeshadow doesn't look that bad on the video, but it was just too much makeup for me, so I gotta wash it off, guys. I know that's crazy. And normally, I should probably not even show you this video and I would do it again, but I said, you know what? I want to just show you how it goes sometimes. Sometimes it just doesn't work out great. This is my Merit. It's almost out. So this is just my everyday, just hanging out at home. makeup application look. Just making sure I have something on the face, eyebrows, and the lips. I'm going to go in with my Merit. This was supposed to be saved for another video, but why not just use it today because it's my favorite shade. It's called Baby. And I ran out of my other one. I went right through it because it's the one that goes in my pocketbook all the time. So I was very excited to get a new one from Merit. And this shade is beautiful. See, now that's nice, but with less makeup on the rest of my face. The other one was a bit too much for me. Again, don't know what to do with this hair. But I'm going to go, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this silly video. I will see you in the next one. This is much better. Look out for the Merit videos. Take a deep breath, and I will see you in the next video.